So if you want to remove this coil, before you do it though, you want to make sure what your gap size is. I learned a trick on YouTube the other week. You just push a bit of white paper underneath it. You fold it 4 times. That's roughly about the air gap that you need. So make sure you know your air gap. If you don't trust that, use feeler gauges. Well, I've done it a few times now and it's worked, so I'm going to take it off. In fact, I'll just loosen it and then refit it. So when you refit it, put your paper underneath and turn the flywheel so the magnet goes just underneath the coil, and then it'll pull it close to the flywheel like that. Then just tighten it back up. Then pull that out, and obviously your air gap's set. You just want to spin it then, make sure that you don't hit the flywheel. So, looks right to me. But anyway, I'm going to take it off now. So, pull your boot off, your clip. You need some long nose pliers. This clip's just got a little safety tab on the bottom, stop it from vibrating loose. Pinch that tab and it should pull off. Like that. And just undo it, but you want to pull the magnet out of the way first. So just 2 10mm bolts. That is it. I'll just do a quick test on it though. Just show you that tab a bit better on that. Anyway, let's do a quick test on this. So, I like to use alligator clip to make it easier to test. I want to test from the metal laminate to the primary side tab. One ohm, dead on. Hondas are usually around 1 ohm, and from the same setting but to the end of your HT lead, your spark plug cap. Now you can take that cap off because it's got resistance of its own, but it's hard to get off. So there's 15 kiloohms, and this is a good one, so that's a good reading. So 14.83 kiloohms, and that's it, tested.